Canvas can be overwhelming for you at the first, but once you get used to it, you will see that it is very easy to use it. So I'm assuming when you go to your Canvas account, you will have your published courses in here. And you're gonna go and click on 2020-05 INTD 170C. That's your course, right? So when you click on it, you automatically be in the module section, the homepage module sections. These are the modules, right? So our library modules are merged with your course modules. That means that when you scroll down, you need to pay attention to the courses that says Library Basics, Welcome, Week 1, Locate Finding No Materials, Locate Developing Your Research Questions. You see that the module for this first week, library modules for this first week, they are gonna have the name Locate in their title. You see this one said Locate, Find Your Unknown Materials. That's also a library module. Okay, so for next week, that name is gonna change. So for next week, the library modules are called Evaluate, Navigating Scholarly Literature. Evaluate, Identifying Type of Sources, right? And that's for week 2. And for week number 3, the library modules is just one, and it's called Integrate, Avoiding Plagiarism. I hope this short video helped you understand which are the library modules and which aren't. And yeah, that's pretty much. Remember that you can always schedule an appointment with me or email me as much as you like. Have a great day.